Good morning, dear students. In today's video, we are going to discuss hydrogen spectrum. So as I told you in yesterday's video, that scientists used spectrum as a tool to explain the structure of atom. So for this purpose, scientists selected hydrogen spectrum. So why they selected only hydrogen spectrum? They selected hydrogen because as we all know that hydrogen has single electron in its shell, and because of the presence of single electron, it shows a very simple type of spectrum as compared to the other element which contain more than one electron. So that's why scientists selected a hydrogen spectrum. Now question arises that how did they get the hydrogen spectrum? So as we discussed before, that if we want to get emission spectrum of any element, we have to excite that element first. So similarly, scientists done the same. They excite the hydrogen atom first, and then they got the hydrogen spectrum. For this purpose, scientists took a discharge tube and filled hydrogen gas in it and passed electric discharge. When they passed electric discharge, they got the radiation from the discharge tube. The radiation emitted by the discharge tube, they passed into the spectrometer. I have shown prism here, which is provided in spectrometer. Now what is spectrometer? A spectrometer is actually a device which can analyze the radiation frequency wise or wavelength wise and can record it on the photographic plate, and it can record the spectral lines in any region of the electromagnetic spectrum. So that's why scientists used a spectrometer. And after receiving the radiation, they got the spectrum here on the screen. And when they observed the spectrum, they found that it had a very fine lines in it, and these lines spread over ultraviolet, visible and infrared region as well. Out of this all region, for visible region, a scientist Balmer in 1885 gave a relation which shows that wave number of spectral lines is equals to 109,677 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon n square. Here I have shown the formula that in 1885 Balmer gave this formula that wave number of spectral line nu bar in centimeter inverse is equals to 109,677 1 upon 2 square minus 1 upon n square. So this formula gives the wave number of spectral lines, but only in visible region. Okay. So now what about the other region? As in hydrogen spectrum, spectral lines spread over ultraviolet and infrared region as well. So soon afterwards, a series of spectral line in different regions were discovered, and each being named after the name of its discoverer, like this. So here I have shown the hydrogen spectrum, which have Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series and Pfund series. Here you can see that Lyman series lie in ultraviolet region, Balmer series lies in a visible region, Paschen series, Brackett series and Pfund series lies in a infrared region. Okay, so now we can say that in hydrogen spectrum, lines present in the hydrogen spectrum can be grouped into 5 series like Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brackett series and Pfund series. Okay, so this is all about the hydrogen spectrum. By this experiment, scientists found this type of hydrogen spectrum which consists 5 series, okay, in different regions. So after the formula given by Balmer, which is applicable only for the visible region spectral lines, a scientist Rydberg gave another formula which is more generalized and applicable for all the series. Okay, like nu bar in centimeter inverse equals to 109,677 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. You can write r instead of this value. Here R is the Rydberg constant and the value of Rydberg constant is 109677. And here n1 and n2 are integers, where n2 will always be greater than n1. Okay, and the value of n1 and n2 for different series are as follows. Like for Lyman series, n1 equals to 1 and n2 can be equals to 2, 3, 4 and so on. And as you know that region of spectrum for Lyman series is ultraviolet. For Balmer series, n1 equals to 2 and the value of n2 is 3 or 4 or 5 and so on, visible region. Okay, now for Paschen series, n1 equals to 3 and the value of n2 can be 4, 5, 6 and so on, and it lies in infrared region. For bracket, the value of n1 is 4 and n2 can be equals to 5 or more than 5 and it lies in infrared region. And last is Pfund series. For a Pfund series, n1 is 5 and n2 can be equal to 6 or more than 6 and also it will be lie in infrared region.